Okay, here we go. We're going to be doing the official unboxing of my brand new dream guitar, a Fender Stratocaster American. This is a Fender Stratocaster Ultra that has, well, I'll show you when I unbox it, the stuff that it has. Here we go. Wow, it's beautiful. This is the Tiger's Eye finish. It's got a maple top. It's got a Les Paul style humbucker in the back and then two single coil noiseless pickups. It's got the Floyd Rose whammy bar, a rosewood neck with what looks like some lighter coloring going down the middle of it, which looks pretty cool, and also a very rare black head. Normally those are a light wood color. It's got locking tuners, which is nice because I hit the strings hard. Yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful guitar. All right, let's take this baby for a spin. This is what it sounds like with the back pickup. Pickup. Wow, those noiseless pickups really are noiseless. Okay, let's hear what she sounds like clean.